All right, let's talk about something I get asked all the time. Hey, I want to switch from Windows to Linux, but what about my favorite apps? I hear you. Swapping operating systems can feel like moving to a new city. Exciting, but also a little scary. So today, I'm breaking down the App Swap Showdown, Windows versus Linux. First up, browsers, Chrome, Firefox, Brave. They run natively on Linux, bookmarks, extensions, all of it. Just log in and you're home. Now, Office. Microsoft Office isn't on Linux, but don't panic. LibreOffice, Google Docs in the browser. Need notes? Joplin, standard notes. For creatives, things get spicy. Photoshop doesn't run natively. GIMP for image editing. Not Photoshop, but powerful. Kdenlive for video. DaVinci Resolve for video. Audio. Audacity. Gamers. I see you. Steam on Linux. Proton makes many Windows games playable. Not every title, but the library grows monthly. What about messaging? Discord, Slack, Telegram. They've got Linux versions. Zoom, Spotify. If you have a must-have Windows app, Wine, virtualization. But try native alternatives first. The Linux community is super helpful. Switching OS isn't just about software. It's about mindset, control, privacy, customization. There's a learning curve, but it's worth it. So don't let apps hold you back. A whole ecosystem is waiting. You might find a new favorite tool. Catch you in the next one.